Hey guys, Justin Russell with RussellMarineProducts.com. I'm going to bring a quick installation guide here on our Garmin Force cable management system. So this is used to hold your, whether you've got an external transducer mounted or in our case, an LVS 34 or 32. Our cable management system comes with 5 clips. We'll work on the 50 or 57-inch Force trolling motor. So let me open these up here and show you a little bit about it. So again, we got 5 clips and they are shaped to fit the contours of the trolling motor here. So if you look right here, on this one side we've got a more round side and a little bit flatter side. This flatter side right here will fit on the ridge, on the top part of the ridge that's facing forward on the Garmin Force trolling motor. So all we're going to do is line up where you want your cable, push the clips on it in place. Again, comes with 5. I really use between 3 and 4 on the 50 and 4 and 5 on the 57. Just depends on how much kind of coverage you want here to hold your transducer cable in place. So we're going to push these on here, and I'm going to put 4 on this one. But the difference between our cable system, I recommend, as you can see, the cable easily slides through here. We didn't want these big and bulky sticking out where they're going to get caught by grass, trees, or hard to remove. So I just simply take a little bit of electrical tape and run it around the cable clip itself. So once that's on, cable still free moves through here. We're not pinching our cable, we're not sensing it down, we're not pressurizing against the shaft of the trolling motor in a really hard way. It's easy to remove, make adjustments if necessary, and make it work. So we're going to cover all these clips right here with electrical tape, hold it in place. Again, not using the electrical tape to hold the cable in place whatsoever. So guys, simple installation right there. Takes literally 30-40 seconds to install. So be sure to check these out, RussellMarineProducts.com. Get a set for your Garmin Force trolling motor.
Are you tired of your old marine electronics? At R&P we make trade-in easy. 3 steps. Step 1, shoot us an email, get a quote. Step 2, send us your old unit and get credit. Step 3, get your brand new unit and get it installed on your boat today.